Hello, good morning. Myself Jyoti Saner. I am your mathematics teacher. Yes, so we are going to learn today the product of decimals through an activity. Yes, so obviously all of you know what is meant by decimals or the fractions. Yes, so now here you can observe that here if we have a paper having the 10 parts, and if we choose one part out of them, then this can be written as 1 by 10, that is the 0.1. This thing we are going to use today for our product of decimal concept through an activity. Now consider a blank paper. So if we consider a blank paper, it should be a square paper. Yes, now make the uh, draw the 10 lines on the square papers horizontally. Yes, so obviously this will look like this. Yes, so it will have the 10 horizontal lines on it, like I have drawn it on the board as well. Okay, now here we need to do the product of the two decimal numbers. Yes, so we'll consider one example over here, that is 0.7 into 0.3. So we need to do here the product of the two decimals. So we consider one example, that is the 0.7 into 0.3. For our convenience, I had drawn the lining on the board. I have given the numbers on the right hand side so that you can not get confused on it. Yes, so first of all we need to choose the 0.7. So how can we choose the 0.7 over here? Yes, obviously we can see over here, this is the 0.1. It means that the one line out of 10. So what we need to do over here, we need to choose the 0.7. So obviously we will choose the 7 lines over here, that is this much. Yes, so this is what this will represent, the 7 lines out of 10 lines, and obviously this can be written as 0.7. Now consider our paper. So just color with any colors, whatever you do you have. It might be the sketch pen or any pencils, color pencils. So color the 7 lines out of 10. So it will represent what? 0.7. Okay, so I'll color over here. So you should take any square paper and you should make the 7 lines of that square paper horizontally, so it will look like that. This is exactly. Now for our convenience to understand you, I have just make the numbers on the right hand side and I have color the 7 parts of the out of 10 parts here. So it will represent what? 0.7. It will represent what? 0.7. Okay, now what to do? We need to do the multiplication of 0.7 into 0.3. Okay, so now again on that same paper, what we need to do, you need to draw the horizontal lines. Yes, so I will do the horizontal lines over here. Now I have made the vertical lines also for again our convenience to understand you. By you, I have just written the numbers downwards. So it will be what? 10 by 10 square. If we count the numbers over here, each square 1, 2, 3, likewise. So it will be total 100 squares. Yes, it is drawn on the board as well. Yes, now we have already color over here, that is the 0.7. Now this is the our first number. This is our first number. Now we need to multiply with what? 0.3. So you should color the first 3 parts vertically. You should multiply. You should color the first 3 parts vertically. So I will color here. So if I color the 3 parts vertically, then you can see over here the common shaded area. You can observe this is the common shaded area. So just count the common shaded area. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So obviously this is the shaded area like this. Yes, and therefore this will be what? 21 parts out of, these are the total 100 squares, and therefore this will be what? 21 divided by 100. That is, if we do this is what? 0.21, and hence what do we get? 0.7 into 0.3 is equal to what? 0.21. Okay, hope you understand. With this I will solve one more example, and on this, first of all, you will look like this with these numbers of the 0.7 into 0.3. This is equal to what? 0.21. Yes. Now we will solve the another example, that is the 0.5 into 0.5. Now for the second sum, again I had taken a square paper and I had drawn here the horizontal and vertical 10 lines on it. So it will look like what? 100 square on a square paper. Yes, what we need to do here, we need to multiply 0.5 into 0.5. So obviously first of all we need to color the vertically 5 vertical lines and then 5 horizontal lines. So I will color it, and hence after coloring, what do we get? The total shaded area out of the 100 squares is equal to what? This is, I have number over here, the total shaded area by blue as well as purple. So I will number over here. So it will be what? 1, 2, 3 up to 25. So these are the total cover area, shaded area out of what? 100 squares, and therefore our answer will be what? 25 divided by 100, and therefore 25 divided by 100 will gives us 0.20.